Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Korean chicken my way, and let's get started. It's going to be crispy, a little peppery, and delicious. First we're going to start off with one sweet potato, and you want to cut it into bite-sized pieces. You want to wash it and let it sit in water for about 30 minutes just so it can remove the starches. After it's been sitting for 30 minutes, you want to pat dry because you're going to be frying them in some sauce and oil. Add in about a tablespoon or two of olive oil, and then you want to massage that into the sweet potatoes. And we're going to be cooking the bean sprouts just for 1 minute. After the minute is over, you want to strain them and immediately transfer them into an ice bath so they can stop cooking and it leaves them crunchy. Don't be dumb like me and put it in a small bowl. For the chicken, you want to use chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons of gochujang paste, two tablespoons of soy sauce, three tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a half tablespoon of grated ginger, or you can use powdered if you don't have grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now you're going to mix. And then you want to cover and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. You want to put this in the fridge. Next, you want to add water to boil. And we're going to be steaming some bok choy. You'll know when it's done when it changes a dark green color. Once they're done, transfer them into a bowl. For our next side dish, we're going to be using some bean sprouts. This is about a cup of bean sprouts. We're going to do a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. You want to do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, and then mix, mix, mix. Air crisp your sweet potatoes or bake them in the oven. For the sweet potatoes, you want to do olive oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Immediately remove from pan. I put the honey in at the end. Once you've washed your rice, you want to rinse it and add oil to your pan and fry the rice a little bit. Once all the moisture has come out of the rice and it's starting to look dry, you want to add 1 cup of water. And then once you've mixed it all together, cover and just let it simmer on medium heat. For the chicken, you want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees until it's crispy, or add it into your air crisper. Once you get halfway in cooking your chicken, you want to flip them over so they can get evenly crispy on the outside. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Peace out, homies.